Hey guys, it's Carrie and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm actually not going to do an unboxing, surprise surprise. It's actually going to be a review of some beauty products that I picked up. So, a couple days ago I went to pick something up at CVS. I haven't been to CVS in, a couple years. But whenever I go into drugstores, anything like that, I like to go through all the beauty sections and see what's new. I'm not really sure exactly how new it is, but I ran into the JOA beauty products by K Beauty, and I'm like, you know, I really haven't seen anybody do a video on this. I was gonna do a try-on video. I'm not too comfortable putting on makeup yet in front of the camera. So I went ahead and put the makeup on myself, and I'm just going to review the products that I have. So let's start out with, I got this, and it's the eyeshadow palette. It's called Birthday Suit. And let me tell you something, before we begin, these people have the prettiest packaging. For drugstore, for luxury, anything, they have the prettiest packaging, and here it is. This is called Birthday Suit. And it's gorgeous. I have the eyeshadow on right now, if you can see, and it's absolutely pretty. The only thing that I don't like about this particular one is that all of them are shimmers, and I thought maybe they'd have a couple mattes, you know, so I can blend them in there, but all of them are shimmers. The other pack was the same, all shimmers, just darker colors. So I'm going to open it up right now. Let me swatch a couple for you. They don't swatch very well. I guess they do. They look kind of patchy to me. Let me try a lighter color. Okay, the lighter color is really pretty. They are really pretty colors. A little patchy. I like it. They blend very well. There's a little bit of kickback in the pan, but I don't care about kickback as long as it does really good on my face. I would probably give this 1 out of 10. I'd probably give it about a 7. Reason being is because, like I said, there were no mattes in here, and it comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3. It comes with 6 shades, and the shades are Birkin, Money, Night Out, Rose, Baby Doll, and Bubbly. So once again, here's what the palette looks like. There's no mirror, so they're very pretty. So yeah, I would give it about a 7 out of 10. The next thing that I tried on, again, beautiful packaging, is their powder contour palette. And it's got a brush included in it. I like the highlighter. I don't know if you can see the highlighter very well. The colors just weren't strong enough. They didn't have as much payoff as I thought they were. So I didn't like the bronze, because it says highlighter, bronze, and it says contour, and this is what the highlighter, bronze, and contour look like. Now this does not look like a bronze. It doesn't even look like a blush, so I didn't even use that, but I used the highlight and the contour, and like I said, there's not much payoff in color. So I will not be purchasing this again. I believe I will be taking it back to the store. The next thing that I got was their concealer. It's called a Dark Circle Eraser, Truly Yours, by K Beauty, of course, JOA. And this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can... And it's got the cushion on top. I really liked this. Oh, by the way, for the contour palette, I'd probably give it about a 5. I really like this. It's very cushiony, and see, a little bit goes a long way. It's very full coverage, and it just looks very nice. You can't tell, like I said, on my face right now. There's a lot of glare from the sunlight, but I do approve this one. I will give this a 10 out of 10 for the concealer. Let me just wipe this off my wrist really quick. Try to wipe these colors off. Okay, the next thing is their Ice Cream Volume and Length Mascara. Ice Cream, like I and then scream. And let me go ahead and take this out of its package. This is volume and lengthening. They had different colors for different names. So this is a volume and lengthening mascara. Now, I like the mascara. I think the mascara is really good, and it's got a really small tip on it. The thing is, if you look at the tip, it's really crazy. I don't know what's wrong with it. I liked it because it was small from my little tiny eyelashes. Now, see, I have older skin, so like my eyelashes will stick to my skin, so I have to be very careful what kind of brush I use. But this is just weird. It looks fibery, but there's no fibers in it. You know, it's just really weird. But you know what? I am going to hold on to this mascara, and I'm going to try it again. And if anybody wants to see if I got any better results, just leave me a comment down in the box below, and I'll be sure to let you know. So I'm going to play around with this. Okay, and the next thing I got was their little chubby eyeliner. I'm So Fly liner. And I really like this. I'm going to keep this, definitely. Here's the box again. And here's the container, or the, I'm sorry, the product. And let me go ahead and open this. And that's what that looks like. Very nice. Very, very nice. You can do a thick one, or you can do just a thin line. And it's very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to keep this. I will mark this a 10 out of 10. I really, really enjoy this. Next thing is the setting powder, the banana powder. I'm sure you can see that. This banana powder is awesome. I'm sorry, I have a hair on my arm, and it's bugging the hell out of me. Okay, this setting powder is banana powder, like I said. And it doesn't say anything else really about it. It has the ingredients on the back, of course, but it's pretty, and it has really good coverage. Some of it came out of the container, but let me see if I can show this to you. So that's really pretty, and I'll give this about an 8. I'll honestly give it about an 8, but I am gonna hold on to this because I don't have any other banana powders. Maybe you guys can recommend another one to me that you think maybe might be a good one to have. I also got this setting spray. I like this setting spray. I don't really like the spray that much, but once you use it a little bit more, it works better. But it smells delightful, and it really works. I went outside with my granddaughter, my grand fur baby, and it helped like me not sweat, because we're talking about 110, 111 degrees. I'm out here in Arizona right now. So let's see, can I, there we go. Oh, it's so focus. There we go. So that's the setting spray, and I really like this. There are, like I said, the spray isn't as good at first. You have to work on it probably for about 2 or 3 seconds and then try again, and it works really well. So once again, there's that. I would probably give that an 8. So yes, I will be keeping that. I also bought 2 lipsticks. I bought I'm Your Jelly Bay matte gel lipstick, and I really like this, but it comes out really pink, and I don't like pink. Look at the color right here. It doesn't look pink. That's the ingredients and stuff. It looks really pretty, but when you put it on, it's really pink, and I'll show you. Yeah, see, that's too pink for me. A lot of people might like it. It is mauve-y, but it's just a little too pink for me, so I am going to return this. I would probably give this, I I didn't really like how it wore either. It made your mouth really dry, your lips really dry. So I'm going to give this a 1. And no, I will not be repurchasing this. And last but not least, I'm going to do my other lipstick that I bought. And this is this right here. See if I can, there we go. Come on, focus. There we go. And this is called Infinite Kiss Satin Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the color, what does it say? Smooch. I'm sorry, the other one was called Babe. Right, Babe? Let me see. Babe, yes. This one's called Smooch. I have this one on right now. And this is very pretty. I'll give you a swatch of that. Now see, that color is more up my alley, this bottom one right here. So, but I really like it. It's not drying, and it does rub off some, but it's not drying. And it's just like a little hint of color on it. In fact, I can put some more on. Because yes, it has started to rub off a little bit. So that's that color. I'm going to give this a 10. I really like this formula, and this for sure I will be keeping. All in all the products I like. I think there's only about 3 or 4 things that I'm not going to be keeping. I just want to let you guys know I got a different look now. My hair is different. I got it colored. I got a really shorter haircut. I feel a lot better about myself, you guys. If you saw any of my other videos, I just was not happy. My gray hair was just everywhere. I couldn't find anyone to color it that I could afford. And the long hair just looked so drab on me, and it just hung there. And I just want to be happy from now on. I want to be very, very happy and just feel love and just really connect with you guys. So please, if you can, leave a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Mine's going great, besides it being the desert and being 1,000,000 degrees. It's really a good day for me. Also, please subscribe. I can really use the subscribers. Like this video if you can. I'm getting better. I'm trying to get better. Little hiccups along the way, but for all in all, you know, I'm trying to venture outside of boxes and unboxings. I want to do some try-ons a little bit at a time, like, you know, actually putting on, trying out eyeshadow palettes and putting on eyeshadow in front of you guys. I'm not really comfortable with the mascara, my eyebrows, or eyeliner yet on film, but I will do that eventually. I want to do get readies with me. I just, you know, I want to do DIYs. I want to just have a lot of fun with you guys. So if you guys have any kind of comments, just please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, I love you guys. Thank you. Take care. God bless.